Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Beauty, a beauty, a beauty, a beauty. Treat her like a queen, cause she not like no groupie. Beauty, a beauty, a beauty.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Now for today's video, we'll be working with Westkiss.com, and I'm just showing you guys what I got in my package. So all this headband you can get on the website, so they are all available on the website. So I'm just going to show you guys what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. This is a 12-inch curly hair, and the direct link to the unit will be in the description box down below. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick what the inside of the wig looks like. So it has clips on the inside, so as opposed to like a regular typical wig that has the adjustable straps, these come with actual clips that could like hold on to your hair to really give you some security. And this is how the headband is looking, very typical, all of that. So you guys know already, I always do a shed test as soon as I get a wig out of the package, and I did get some shedding with this hair. So I'm thinking to get the full amount out, you want to co-wash this hair. So I got a few shedding and I'm like, girl, what? So co-wash the hair. Later on, after I did all of that, I brushed out the hair. The hair was fine. I didn't get any more shedding like that. So advice, co-wash the hair. So yeah, I'm going to be putting some scalp oil on my scalp. I ran out of my typical certified Bella scalp oil, so I'm reordering right now. So I gotta use what I gotta use. And then I'm going to touch up my edges, make sure that they are sleek and all the way together. So I don't know if I'm going to do any soup to do in this video. Maybe I will. I actually did do some soup to do. So the edge control that I'm using is She Balm rather edge control. I've been using this edge control for the past couple of months. However, like typical edge control, as soon as one starts working for me, suddenly it doesn't work like it used to. I get a lot of flakes with this edge control now. I do not know what's going on, girl. Like, if y'all got any more recommendations, let me know down below. We are back to square one. I just give up right now with edge control. Anyways, back to the wig. So of course, it's a typical headband wig. You already know you gotta adjust the headband. However, this headband was really snug on my head. I don't know if it was the sizing or how thick the actual sticky part was. I realized that the longer the length of the sticky part that actually attaches the headband, the better it fits and the more snug it is. So you guys can see, like, I'm really pushing that back into place, which is fantastic. Again, it has the clips on the inside that will help you with the hold. So this is how the hair is looking right now, guys. This curl is beautiful. I am loving and living for the length of this wig and just the texture of it, the silkiness to it. The whole vibe to this wig is just carefree and bomb. So this is the first time I'm getting a headband wig like this texture and also this length, and I am just loving it for everyday type of look, and also it will be perfect for a workout type of wig. So I'm just gonna do my soup to dupe, you know, touch up them edges and all that good stuff, and that will be basically it for this look. Okay, beautiful people, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. It is so carefree and bomb. So I'm just gonna add one of the headbands that I got. Again, you can get this on the website, so I just want to add that for some razzle dazzle, you know, give it a little bit of flair, you know, take that headband wig from regular to pop in. And yeah, so you can get it on the website. The direct link for the hair will be on the website down below. My only concern with this hair was the shedding. So yeah, that is about it. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. And I will see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, count Stella. Let me bag it.